Good morning, dear friends. First of all, I welcome from Department of Mathematics, Art, Commerce and Science College, Bodhur. I also welcome in the Maths world. So, this is our first lecture, and today we are going to introduce little bit brief outline of mathematics subject for FYBC. As per Einstein, Albert Einstein said, those fortunate being find mathematics a joy, a fascination. Means you are very fortunate. You find joy while solving mathematical problems, and when that problem you understand, you got some correct answer of some problem, then that joy is very important. So for joyful learning, I give best wishes to you, and I hope you will take more and more interest in mathematics, and you can do the career in mathematics also, because there is a very big scope in career of mathematics. In the world, there are 5 best careers, and out of 5 best careers, the career in mathematics, that is very important. So let us start to see the small tour of math syllabus. Dear friends, I am Dr. Rupesh More. I am working as an assistant professor in Art, Commerce, Science College, Bodhwad, which is affiliated to North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. You should be familiar with the two websites. First is our college website, Art, Commerce, Science College, Bodhwad. If you type on Google, just Google it, you will get the website, ACS Bodhwad College. Second is, website is very important, nmu.ac.in. On this website, our syllabus is also, you can see some notices regarding students. From student corner, you can see. So let us start to our subject. Since this is a BSc course, it requires 3 years to complete this BSc course. In our college, there is a specialization of BSc course in mathematics also, and we can specialize in 3rd year. In first year, there are two groups. One is A group, another is B group. In A group, we have subject mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer. In B group, there are subject physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. So once you choose these 4 subjects in FYBSc, after that in SYBSc means second year of BSc, FYBSc means first year, SYBSc means second year, we have to omit one subject. Suppose you omitted, say, chemistry in SOBC. Then you have to study mathematics, physics and computer. And again in third year, last year, out of these 3 subjects, you have to omit 2 subjects and choose 1 subject as a specialized. Suppose you choose mathematics, then you have to study only math subject in third year. So this is our semester pattern now. So semester divided into 2 parts in year. In first semester, actually there are 6 semesters for BSc. In first semester, we are going to study 3 math subjects. First is matrix algebra, second is calculus, third is coordinate geometry. Though there are 2 choices for third, coordinate geometry and graph theory, but solid geometry or coordinate geometry is very important to study because that is basic subject. So our college has chosen this coordinate geometry subject. For graph theory paper you can do independently also, that is related to graph, that is useful for networking. That is also one of the interesting subject. First of all, I would like to introduce myself again. I am Dr. Rupesh More. My qualification is MSc with A grade in mathematics. Then I qualified NET exam with All India rank 66. I also qualified SET exam in state level eligibility test. NET means national level eligibility test. After that, I did my PhD in integral equation with non-local condition. So you are free to ask your doubts regarding mathematics. I already provide my email and my mobile number is 9822 901 902. So in this first semester there are 3 subjects, and in second semester again there are 3 subjects of mathematics. In second semester we are going to study ordinary differential equation, second is theory of equation, and third is Laplace transform. You little bit have an idea about numerical also, that is also, but that is optional subject. If you are interested, you can study, but these 3 subjects are very important, especially Laplace transform, because once you know one transform, Laplace transform, there are many types of transform that are useful to solve differential equation, integral equation, like that. I am very happy because you choose A group. You dare to choose A group, that is good thing. And I don't know what you feel about mathematics, but note that mathematics is a service to mankind. Use of mathematics to solve the problem which the people face in their work. Mathematics gives his fruit to science and technology and remain fruitless. Mathematics is a way of thinking. Hence, there should be more stress on the process than the product. We can say mathematics like a game, or we can say tennis game, but with some rules. Do you know the difference between algebra and geometry? We can say geometry is nothing but figure algebra, and algebra is written geometry. Study of matrices. You already get some information in 11th and 12th standard about matrices. How to do the addition of two matrices, multiplication of two matrices, inverse of matrix, its properties, and why the study of matrices is important. In image processing, it is very important. If you have any doubt, you just type some mathematical concept, and after that you just write application in real life or application in technology. Suppose I want to know the application of matrices. I use application of matrices in real life. So you will get lot of information, so that once you know the application, it will create interest about mathematics. Matrices are used in robot technology to rotate, to translate some object. We use matrices. In matrices, the name of this course is MTH 101 Matrix Algebra. This course provides the elementary level knowledge of rank and adjoint of matrix, application of matrix to the system of linear equation, eigenvalues and eigenvector of matrices, also the transformation of matrices. After completing this course, you are able to understand the concept of matrix operation, rank of a matrix. You can understand use of mathematics for solving system of linear equation. You will also understand basic knowledge of eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and you are familiar with Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find the inverse. And most important, you will know the matrix transformation and its application in rotation, reflection and translation. Here each maths paper is divided into 4 units. These 4 units we can say chapters or 4 chapters or 4 units. In first unit we are going to see rank of a matrix. Here elementary operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication of two matrices. Inverse, we can discuss about inverse, and rank. Rank is very important concept. Question in exam, question may be asked, find the rank of a matrix, find the inverse, like this. You can see the previous question paper of university on university website also of various subject. In second unit we are going to study system of linear equation. Means in 10th standard we already learned that x plus y equal to 4. Second say x minus 3y equal to 7. These two equations are given and two unknowns, namely x and y, and solve. So you are able to solve such type of system which contain two equation and two unknown. But we can generalize this concept. We can find values of unknown if we have given m equation and n unknowns, and this we solve by with the help of matrices. Third chapter is also important. Eigenvalue, eigenvector, that is play role in the integral equation and differential equation. We are also going to study about orthogonal matrix and its property, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, and last chapter is matrix transformation, means application of matrices to scaling and shearing, to reflection, rotation and translation. Like a JCB machine, we can rotate, translate some object. So in this way we can use matrix as an operator. We can compress the image, expand the image, shift the image, means translate the image, rotate the image or object, anything, with the help of knowledge of matrices. These are some references. Matrix and Linear Algebra by K.B. Datta. Textbook of Matrices by Shanti Narayan. Sham series, Sham outline of theory and problems of matrices by Richard Brawson. Mathematics for computer graphics. Mathematics, fundamentals of computer graphics. Sham outline of computer graphics. Matrices and transformation of Anthony. Transformation by Anthony. So these are 7 books, and also you can study some local books of some local publication like Prashant publication, Jalgaon, Vrunda publication, like this. That is also work as good notes for you. So you should invest your money in books also, because that is very important tool to study maths. So I recommend you to study Prashant publication books, though they are local, but you are comfortable in initial level. Second paper is calculus. In 12th standard we already learned derivative, integration, limit, continuity. So this paper is based on this concept. Third is geometry, coordinate geometry. In 12th standard we also studied circle chapter, parabola, ellipse. So that is 2D figures. Here we are going to study 3D figures. We will take more information on calculus and coordinate geometry in next lecture. So up to today, you just download the syllabus and try to get the copy of the book. So today we will stop here. Thanks for listening patiently.